Guys, this is an easy one. We all have to switch out our toothbrushes every 3 months anyway, so might as well just switch out to a bamboo one. This brand is called Cooler Things, and I recommend this one so much because the bristles are actually strong. And I'll put the link in the description for this one. It's on Amazon. Okay, so this next one here requires a little bit of work and a little bit of patience, but it's definitely doable, and trust me, the results are so amazing. And if you have toddlers or you have kids or pets in your home, this thing that I'm about to show you is non-toxic, so they can help you clean if you have children. Okay, so all you need are citrus peels. It can be lime, lemon, orange, tangerine, all that good stuff. Some vinegar, an empty spray bottle, a funnel, and a glass jar. You're gonna make sure that all of the citrus peels have no pulp in them, and I have a little trick. So if you turn the citrus peel inside out, then it divides into like little sections, and you take them off. I promise it's easier than it looks. And yeah, just remove all of the pulp, and then you put them in the glass jar, and then you put the vinegar in, and you leave that mix for 2 weeks. After this, I just use a water-based Sharpie to mark the date to remind me that I need to take it out of the fridge after 2 weeks. So whatever is easier for you, if you want to mark the date that you need to take it out, or if you want to mark the date that you put it in, whatever is easier for you. Guys, this is also another easy one. Ditch the disposable napkins. Not only do these reusable ones look better and much prettier in your home, but they'll save you money and they're better for the environment. It's a win-win. Okay, you guys probably know that I own a Depop shop by now already, but this does not just apply to Depop shop owners. This also applies for when you're giving someone a gift. But I'm going to show you how to wrap things like with things that you already have laying at home. This cardboard bag was actually given to me from a restaurant. I had food in there. I just like kind of cleaned it a little bit and then let it dry for like 24 hours. And the following day, it didn't smell bad or anything like that. And then I put the item in there for my Depop shop. And yeah, I just like wrapped it really nicely. And yeah, like I said, reusing items is a very sustainable option. It's better for the environment instead of throwing that out and then buying something else, which will produce more waste. This is also another easy one. So glass jars instead of plastic. So you can thrift a lot of these jars. You can get them secondhand from your mom. A lot of these are from my mom's house, and some of them I did buy myself. Guys, please stop using plastic bags. There is no reason for us to be using plastic bags anymore. There's tons of reusable bags everywhere. You can go to the thrift store. Some of these are thrifted, some of these are from IKEA, and the basket was also thrifted. If you don't have bags, just use a basket, darn it. So this is my favorite part. You guys know that I love thrifting. So I thrift for myself, I thrift for my Depop shop, I thrift to gift, and I recently got these really cute Zara kitten heels that I got secondhand off of Depop. And I have a new clothes that I'm gonna make a new video about that I thrifted recently, so stay tuned for that. And I'm gonna show you some of my favorite thrifted home decor pieces. Guys, I recently thrifted this beautiful wall scones from the Goodwill for $3. And this piece here is actually one of my favorite pieces for my home. This chair is a vintage find. My sister actually bought it for me at a council thrift shop. Something I really wanted, so thank you, rocks. And that beautiful little piece above it is actually secondhand from my mom's house, so shout out to my mama. Guys, and now that I have a 3-year-old, I have to find things for her at the thrift store. We always find really cute pieces, really cool stuff. The basket is from Goodwill. The little bear is also from Goodwill. And the house is actually passed down to her by my little sister, belonged to her back in the day. And then the little deer right next to the bear is actually a gift from my friend. We love it. Guys, Using straws is not a must. If you don't have kids in your home, you really don't need them. But if you really do want to have straws, there are reusable options. You have bamboo, stainless steel, glass. Who knows what else they'll come up with, but you guys have options. Use them. This one's easy. You can do it. Anyone can do it. Please use a reusable water bottle. Oh, also another thing I wanted to say is, you see these plastic Tupperwares I have? I still have some plastic in my home. I didn't just toss all of my plastic things away and then bought new ones. That's not the point of sustainability. Sustainability means that you use things, reuse things, and use them until they fall apart. You don't just buy new things that you don't need just because they're cuter or, you know. You made it to the end. I see you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. And of course, if you guys want to shop my Depop, check it out. It's here. I'll also put it in the description for you. Thank you to all of the essential business workers. All of you. You guys do not go unappreciated. We love you. Stay safe out there. Thank you for watching.
Keep my heart, catch it, huh? Yeah, catch it. Whoa, holding it like a corpse, huh? Keep it on fleek, of course. Whoa, spilling them like a course. Ooh, wow, she got aesthetic. Whoa, on me like a tan, huh? Want a cup, you need a plan. Whoa, we don't date boys, only men. Ooh, wow,